points today. Credit is the financial system. Huh? Okay. Bank deposit as money. So banks, Reserve Bank of India is the main bank, Central Bank of India. I know. It was established in 1935 during the British time. So again, after 1947 we got independence and we brought so many changes in the banking system. So now without bank there is no life because banks are now important in our life. So banks, different banks, there are private banks there and public sector banks there. So all banks, private and public sector banks are running under the direction of Reserve Bank of India. Okay. So what are the duties of banks? Banks means what people are now opening accounts and they are saving some money. So banks they give protection to our money, safety to our money. So security also they give. So because government is giving security our money. So people why they save money means for future purpose or for its security. Hmm? And so they can live happily because some people cannot keep the money in their houses or in their pockets or they cannot give to others also. This is now problem. So how banks will run? There is some system there. So banks run with the money of people. So banks employ people to look after these bank activities. So bank runs on the deposits only. So people who open bank account, there are different types of accounts also there. Saving bank account there, current system there, business purpose. Generally, we utilize a savings bank account. So in that we keep money. So sometimes some lot of money is if they are from suppose farmers there, farmer they have crop money, so they have to keep money. Or sometimes they want to keep money for future purpose of their children. So they want to keep money for some years long term means they have to keep as fixed deposit money. So banks have different schemes. Fixed deposit scheme there, long term there, short term there. So for keeping money, they are also giving some interest to us. So why they give interest plus means so the money is utilized by bank in different ways. For example, banking system is dependent on deposits of people. The depositor money is they are giving to other people. That means they are taking money from us as our savings. So for us they are giving some amount of interest for keeping the money in the bank. But again, the money is giving as a loan to other people. So other account holders for the their personal use or business use or for different purpose they are giving. Same way they are charging some amount of interest to them. So the amount they are charging on the loans is higher than the savings account we opened in the bank. That means for our deposit they are giving some amount loan, and more than that amount they are collecting as interest on the loans given to the people. For the customers they are giving loans means they are charging more interest. For the account holders, for us they are giving less. So difference between this interest rate is the profit of tax. So the monies they use for employees payment purpose, building rent purpose, like that they get profits. So like this, banks are running in different ways. They are extending different levels to the people. So like this, banks are now modern times. They are important. Now without bank account, nobody there. Almost all people are covered. Even poor people also opening bank accounts. Recently, government of India also started this Mudra banks or accounts without minimum balance. Government are charging minimum balance, but government recently opened under the Prime Minister guidance that Without minimum balance also freely they opened, and recently due to COVID so they deposited some amount to the poor people. So banks are mainly important. Now loan activities are now day by day increasing. Now without loan nobody is there. People are needed so many loans for the purpose of agriculture purpose, business purpose, even students also for paying fees also they are getting. So their parent approaching the bank people to get pay the fees to the people or for financing the business activities. So house building loans also they are giving, consumer loans also they are giving. So how government these are banks. Government give guidelines. Reserve Bank is the main bank, but banks are running for profit motto. So for that they are charging a different charge rates according to the guidelines of the Reserve Bank of India. So different loans now day by day they are giving to the consumers. Consumer loans are more there now because a lot of industries are there. They are producing so many things. So these are to be sold. Then after selling only they get profit. Otherwise they cannot run. So government is encouraging for loans purpose because they have to expand their business activity. If loans are given more to the people or business people or farmers, they will get a amount or profits as a interest. So like that they have to improve their banking system means they have to encourage the loans. So like this banks are now expanding their profitability and they are expanding their branches all over India and villages also different banks are established. Now direct payment activities are now coming down as a part of government system. So government encouraging the modern system like this net banking and other systems or other payment systems. So cash physically we cannot see. Even shops also they are asking for this Google Pay or something, Paytm, that systems are came. Now day by day so many changes are coming due to science and technology development and so cash is now directly not asking. So these are to avoid this losses or security measures also to be avoided. Cheating also avoided. So many ways the government are implementing. So next, this why people are required means you know already. Now starting agriculture field means people farmers particularly required for the labor charges purpose, seeds buying purpose in the seasons or for buying the implements. So they are needed in the season. Same way business people they want for their investment or revamping purpose or expanding purpose or sometimes day-to-day activity purpose also they needed loans. So day by day people they are requiring different type of loans, business loans, agriculture loans, and personal loans, house building loans, like this for different activities they are asking or they are approaching banks. So these are the present requirements of people and activities of banks and so by this, so if people are developing by way of getting loans, the their profitability also banks increases. So if this banks profitability increase means they also encourage by of opening different branches in different places. They can serve also better. So everyone thinking in their own way that they have to improve something, they have to show some development. So if development is there means they will be happy. If banks are developing, they can also serve the people better. So same way government also develop their schemes, in different schemes they implement by way of providing benefits to the people, employment opportunities, industry sector also they improve, and education field also improve, medical field also they improve. So for everything there is a need of money. Money is there is a now problem there because population day by day increasing. So in the world, So many systems are coming, so much upgradation is taking place in the technology. So in the same way, banking system also, so many systems came now. Because this net system they will transfer through net, it is coming. Net banking is now carrying out. Nowadays only transfer system is there now. Physical carrying of cash, this system, handing of cash is now avoided. No? So like this, so many ways government and banks are serving the people. Better way is to utilize more people are brought under this banking system. Still in village some people are not opened accounts in their banks. So like this different types of accounts also their saving bank account, their current bank system there, and term deposit there, and short term there in that long term deposit system there. Interest rates also vary. Government frequently changing interest rates. But because this is the main problem, because it depends on the international currency movement and ups and downs on the share marketing system. So many angles are there in the interest rates. So international level also nowadays see after globalization taking place in the international level, IMF and other banks are offering developing countries and backward countries loans at lower rates. Then a problem come because people are not interested to deposit more because interest rate is very less in the government banks. This is the main reason now gradually. But those who are taking loans for the business purpose, construction activity purpose, expansion purpose, it is good. For those who want to save, particularly some people surplus money there, for them banks they are giving very less amount of interest. This is one way discourage. For the expansion purpose, business people purpose, other activity purpose, it is very good. So development purpose banks are compulsory needed, loans are needed, interest rates are to be reduced. So this are both ways. One way is a betterment, another way is discouraging the personal or saving people. So these are the banking activities going on presently. Okay. So this is a Rajan Hindu social teacher from Nandini Government Valmiki High School.